Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure crash reporting with Firebase Crashlytics for Android. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by opening your Android project in Android Studio. Ensure you have the latest version of Android Studio and the Firebase tools. Next, navigate to the Firebase console at console.firebase.google.com. Create a new project by clicking on Add Project. Enter your project name and follow the prompts to set up your project. Once your project is created, click on Add App and select Android. Register your app by entering your app's package name. Download the Google Services.json file and place it in your project's app directory. Open your project's build.gradle file at the project level. Add the Google Services class path to the dependencies section. Sync your project to ensure the changes are applied. Now, open your app-level build.gradle file. Add the Firebase Crashlytics dependency in the Dependencies section. Ensure you also include the Google Services plugin at the bottom of the file. Sync your project again to download the necessary dependencies. Next, enable Crashlytics in the Firebase console. Navigate to the Crashlytics section and click on Get Started. Follow the prompts to finalize the setup in the Firebase console. Now, implement the necessary initialization code in your application class. In your onCreate method, initialize Firebase Crashlytics. You can now test Crashlytics by forcing a crash. Add a button or trigger that causes an intentional crash in your app. Run your app on a device or emulator and click the button to generate a crash. Once the crash occurs, wait a few moments. Return to the Firebase console and refresh the Crashlytics dashboard. You should see your crash report appearing there. To access detailed logs, click on the crash report to view stack traces and user data. With these steps, you've successfully configured crash reporting with Firebase Crashlytics for your Android project. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.